Hello everybody, Eric Bryan here, owner of Precision Air and Heating. Since 1995, we have performed well over 250,000 service calls across the valley. We thought, what better way to share our experience and know-how than answering some common homeowner questions. Roger in Mesa asks, my air conditioner is not blowing as cold as it used to. Will adding Freon help? Good question, Roger. And the technical answer is, if that's the problem. Units are not designed to leak Freon, but most homeowners think that if their system's not blowing cold, that they need Freon. And 9 times out of 10, that's not the problem. Air conditioning units are designed not to leak. The EPA requires contractors just like ourselves to repair these leaks when we find them. The question really is how big a leak do you have? If you have a leak where you're losing Freon at a very, very rapid rate and we restore it back to its original levels, it's going to cool temporarily until it drops below its designed running pressures and temperatures with the Freon, then it's not going to cool anymore. So the thing to remember is this: if you're having to add Freon to your system, you have a leak and you need to get it fixed. Thank you for sharing your questions. I hope this helps shed some light on keeping your home operating properly and as efficiently as possible. If you have questions regarding your AC, heating, plumbing, or home performance needs, post your questions on our Facebook page and check back for additional videos. Who knows, we might just answer your question next.